All right, 2016 BMW 435 Grand Coupe, and my favorite color, carbon black, even though it's blue. This car had a parasitic draw. My battery's going dead overnight. I figured the car is old enough, 90,000 miles. The battery, I changed battery out, figured it's time. That didn't help, but that brand new battery was dead the next day. So I did some diagnostics with ISTA. I thought it was my IBS sensor, and it was not. I swapped that out. Still overnight, battery draining. Long story short, it turned out to be my water pump. And I couldn't understand that because everything was working fine. The water pump was cooling, it was turning off, and I didn't understand exactly what was happening until I was sitting in my garage. I let the car go to sleep, and then I would hear the water pump spin up. I had to listen real close, but I could hear the water pump spin up and moving fluid when the car goes to sleep. And that's like a 30, 40 amp draw or something. It's crazy. So what happens is I found out that the electronics inside the water pump, a little bit of the coolant leaks into the control board or something, and it loses its mind and it shorts out and just starts running. But when you turn the car on, the computer inside the car regains control and everything works fine. It only happens when the car goes to sleep and wait, and you hear that water pump spin up, and that was killing my battery. Yeah, so that was crazy. So something to keep in mind if you got a problem, if you got battery drain, you got electric water pump. All these Beamers, well, the newer ones maybe not, but this generation, the 3 Series, anything with electric water pump, take a look at that. And it's been fine ever since. Put a new water pump in, it's all good. All right, guys, I'm out.